So to give you a bit of an idea on the installation of your cabin, we have it in the workshop sitting up on these Besser blocks. You can do the same on your property. So what we kind of suggest is we'll provide drawings as to where the footing should go for your cabin, which is just a hole with concrete in it to support your cabin. Prior to delivery, it's worth getting a bunch of Besser blocks and some timber blocks ready for the installation. If you have all of your blocks set up and they're all level, that means the truck can bring your cabin into position, provided the access is okay, and they can drop the front. You can put your blocks underneath and it's all level, ready to be installed. Once you've got your blocks and the tractor's away, you can sit on those temporary blocks and give you the time to install some posts. So we use level master posts, which can be cut down to size on site. So we've pre-drilled holes along the cabin where they need to go, and then you can cut down your posts to suit the site, install them after, remove your Besser blocks, and you can have your cabin installed in a day.